Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your ESPN account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your ESPN account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in espn.com like this and hit on enter, or you can just simply search for ESPN login like this and hit on enter, and on the result of Google you will be able to find the login page to the ESPN. You can see there is the espn.com and the m.espn.com. This will redirect you to the mobile version login page of the ESPN, but will not be doing that. You can see this is the login page of espn.online.org, and you can see this is the ESPN online org, but this website will open up different varieties of the domains of the ESPN according to your country where you're in right now, but will not be logging into this website. You can check your country from over here. If your country has a separate domain for the ESPN, it will be available over here, but for us is espn.in is the website. Now let's wait for it to load, and over here guys you can see there is the login button available over here, but over here there should be a person icon. Let's wait for it. But in any case, if you have not yet created an account on ESPN, we can simply click on sign up and go to the registration procedure of the ESPN. With that being said guys, you can see the person icon over here. Either you can click on login button available when you hover on the person icon, or the login button just below the sign up. Both will open the same dialog box, which is this one, and you will be required to enter your username or your email address with which you had created an account on ESPN, and after that enter your password with which you have registered an account and ESPN as well. But if you've forgotten your username or your password, let's close this. You can simply click on need help login in button available over here, and you will be able to retrieve or reset or solve any problem relating to your username or your password on the ESPN. With that being said guys, after you have entered your username and password, simply click on login, and then you will be able to sign into your ESPN account on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your ESPN account. And if you have any confusions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.